Hey boo, it's me coming to you live from my room that I'm moving out of. So if you didn't watch my last video, I'm moving in with my boyfriend, which means I'm moving out of my current place, and I'm so sad about it, but I'm also really happy. It's like really bittersweet because I've just had such a great time in this room with the people I live with that I'm gonna miss them so much. But yeah, moving in with my boyfriend. So I have a lot to do today. Sorry, my hand's getting tired, but I have a lot to do today. I am pretty much packed up. Like, let me show you. Empty. Everywhere's like in here, and I just put it in a bag, so it's like ready to go. But yeah, it's all empty. If I really wanted to, I can move out today. It's Wednesday. I took the whole week off from work to move out here and move into there because I'm not just like, hold on, I have to sneeze. Just like, unloading my stuff in there. I'm trying to also like organize things as much as I can at the same time so it's like livable. So yesterday I started organizing the kitchen already, because all my kitchen stuff is like already in there. Everything for the kitchen is pretty much bought already. So I wanted to make it like all aesthetic-y, and I got glass jars for my spices, and I turned my spices from this to this. So I put that on Instagram, and so many people reacted to it saying like they love it and like they love organization things. So, and I do too. So I figured, why not film the rest, because I still have all my oils and like all my grains to put in jars. So yesterday I went to IKEA and I bought so much glassware, y'all. Ooh, my credit card and my debit card, they're both very tired, and I try not to use my credit card, but I also just want to like get everything now because I have the week off and I'm not gonna have this week off again to move. So I'm getting as much as I can done. But anyways, here's some glasses I got. I literally put them in insulated bags just because they are padded. And here too is like all glass containers. I really just want everything to be in glass. I try not to use plastic too much, so I don't want things stored in plastic, but I'm trying. And here's everything else. I've literally been using this one bin to move all my stuff out and into the new place, but this is just like the remaining stuff. If I wanted to move out today, I can, but I don't really want to. I have the whole week, so I kind of like want to spend it moving out, and then when I'm done, just like, chill with the people I live with. But yeah, okay, let's go. I'm gonna load up my car and then organize the kitchen, unload the rest of my stuff, and then if I have to make returns at IKEA, I'm gonna go back to IKEA today, and then come back here, pack the remainder of my stuff, bring it over there. It's a lot of driving, so thanks for keeping me company, guys. Let's go. Okay, so I measured out all the glass jars and stuff in the cabinets to see if they fit, because if not, I'm gonna return them. I think I'm gonna return just a couple, but keeping most of it. And then I put them in the dishwasher, so while I wait for them to run, I'm going to put the rest of my stuff away. And I got a rug from IKEA for the living room situation. You literally see the tag on the couch still, but I just wanted to try it out. I got a dark rug because obviously the couch was light. We also got like a light wood coffee table coming in, so I kind of wanted to see if a dark light contrast would be nice, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that up. Okay, I don't know how I feel about it. Might be too dark. This is like a navy blue, like dark gray type of vibe. It honestly looks more gray on camera than in person, but let me know what you think. Yeah, no, probably it's not really going, but let me try to rearrange it. Okay, I switched the couch over and put the rug in and put the vacuum on top. But no, it's not the vibe I am going for. I think after seeing this now, I definitely want like a rug with like browns and creams and nudes. So yeah, but probably have the couch from here be here. It's kind of cute, and over there I can have like a dining table in this space. It looks way smaller on camera, but it's big enough definitely for a dining table, which I do want to have so I can have my friends over and my family. It's such a mess. Okay, bye. Okay, oh my god, I am so tired. Like, I'm so tired. I've been on my feet. Let's see, I got here before 9 and it's after 11 a.m. so I'm working. But yeah, I was gonna film me, you know, putting all the oil in the bottles and all the stuff in the jars, but I was just so busy and like focused that I didn't film it. But let's go see the before and after. Okay, here's the after of cabinet 1. I just rearranged some of the plates. I want these to be like our main plates, and then if we have people over, it's like our extra ones up there. But yeah, if you're wondering why there's like nothing in the middle, it's just I like showing everything through the glass. But okay, that's not even what I'm excited for. I'm excited for the spices, the oils, the grains over there, real quick. And I'm going to show you guys. Okay guys, I don't even think you're ready. I'm excited. My hands are so dry from doing all the dishes, but okay, let me. Ta-da! Look at that. Okay, so let us go through them. So here's the spices, and then you can see here, like, this is extendable. So yeah, when I get more, I don't know, I'm gonna have to figure it out. But here's all the oil. So canola oil, sesame oil, there's some in the back. Got all the glassware. I really love, if you've ever seen Kourtney Kardashian's double-walled mugs, I really love them, but like one is like $15. So I got this from IKEA for, I don't even know how much it was, but I'm pretty sure it was like less than $5. And then we got like our mason jars for water, wine glasses, and there is like the all-purpose flour, wheat flour, oats, and then mixing bowls, and then a strainer, and then some brown rice and some sushi rice up there. So yeah, I'm really happy with how it came out. I wanted, you know, everything to be seen. So that's how it looks like. And then over there. And then over there. I'm so obsessed. And you know, I'm not done. This is just kind of like the first part. I still have this to go, but it's way more tidy. But yeah, let's see how everything goes. You know, it's just the beginning. Okay guys, thanks for watching. I'm gonna go back to IKEA and return the rug and some glassware and appliances and stuff. And that's it for me, but thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye boo.